In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the oil light or maintenance on a 2021 Toyota Camry. Pretty simple process once you know what you're looking for. You're going to use the directional pad here on the steering wheel, and then you're going to be navigating the menus right up here on the screen. As I press the right button, I'm going to go over to vehicle settings, and then it's going to be on settings, and then I'm going to arrow down to scheduled maintenance. And do I want to reset the data? So after you've reset, or after you've changed your oil, you'll just press yes on there. Now the reset has been complete. You will no longer get the little warning on your vehicle telling you that you need scheduled maintenance. That's all there is to it. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.